Alright, so I'm about to hip y'all to this delicious stuff called buffalo sploosh chicken underskin scoop. Now these are the ingredients. First you need some chicken underskins, these frozen, since we're about to put it in the oven. And spread them frozen chicken underskins with the creamy milk fat. This is option one if you don't have the next ingredient. This is the ramen shake-ins, but don't add the whole thing. It'll make it real salty. This is my original option that I use, this cereal upgrade right here. Still makes it salty. Don't use a whole pack of this if you got it. If you don't worry. You don't need it. Now you got the buffalo sploosh. This will make it spicy. Add a shallow amount of purified liquid quench. Don't drown them now. Put them in a heat box for 2 hours at 425. It can be a mini or a large. If you put it in a food sauna, make sure it's life ready and not icy. Out the heat box, use your claw extenders to rip it apart, and there you go. I think they call this buffalo chicken dip, but that might just be on Pluto. Now this stuff gonna be fire once it's cooked. You can put it on some crunchy pressed flour doughs or some soft pressed flour doughs. Ain't gotta be name brand. Or you can put them on some meat tubes. Or you can scoop it straight out the dish with these long handled mini bowls.